Monday, everybody. My joy and pleasure being with you. Let's take a look on the market this morning, and let's see what's playing out here and why in the world is our bias bullish this morning. So, this is where market is at this key Fibonacci support. This key Fibonacci support been present in front of you for the last 2 weeks. In early April, it was key Fibonacci resistance. If you can browse videos going back to April 10th, this was key target on the long. This key resistance became key support. Last Monday was flawless. This morning our bias here is bullish, and this trade is rallying. Anyone surprised? Should not be. Fibonacci said so. Fibonacci is the reason I live and breathe what I do. Everything you're witnessing in front of you is 10 years of work with Fibonacci. If you will ever find anything more accurate, I would love to see that. We knew extremely well key Fibonacci support, bias is bullish. We discussed so with students well before trading room open. After the close of the trading room, we will dissect this trade in a detail. Everyone clear on that? No surprise whatsoever. None. Bullish rally in progress. This is very important moment on S&P. This is when knowledgeable trader moving his stop outside of break even. Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool. This is the level that's been present in front of you for weeks. This is Fibonacci resistance and key target in a play right now. So give yourself a favor and protect your profits. Move your stop outside of break-even. Very junky Monday morning, and once again we are on the right side of the market because Fibonacci said so. Anyone surprised? Should not be. In the course you learn sniper's mentality. In the course you learn how to trade with institutions, not against them. Every single day you're witnessing the accuracy of the method that applies to any instrument, any time frame, any platform. How did we know that this would be a problem? It's a reversal zone. Trader who chooses to buy into this area knows nothing about price. Respecting it as your key target and moving stop outside of break-even is a key. Right now price can collapse all the way back down to Fibonacci support. Reversal zone never to be ignored. So, this is 1 minute chart. This is the accuracy of the method that I developed in 2008 when I witnessed extremely clearly that trading on fundamentals and indicators is simply waste of time. If trading on fundamentals and indicators worked, every single person on the planet would be Bill Gates. It doesn't. Indicators that work are not for sale. So, Fibonacci is what forms the markets. And that's what you're witnessing in front of you every day in a trading room. Clear on that? And that's the reason hedge fund managers take in the course. What you choose to trade after you learn the method, absolutely up to you. Are you surprised price reversing? Should not be. I warned you it will do so. Trader who pulls a trigger randomly and chooses not to protect his profits, not to move the stop outside of break-even will never be profitable. Trader who managed to pull 2 points out of this market met his daily quota. Applied sniper's mentality. 2 points on S&P on 1 lot, $100. On 10 lots, $1,000. How many points do you need? Not many. What you need is quality in your trading. What you need is to add lot size, not number of trades. Do not be trading cowboy. Be a knowledgeable trader. So let's see what the students done on their trades. I will appreciate if you post your results. Every single student trades different lot size. Steven 5 lots, 2 points. How many points is Ken? Ken is 3 lots, 2 points. Lee, 2 points, 10 contracts. Marvelous job. Every single student, different account size. Every single student, different lot size. What account you trade, absolutely up to you. Johan, 2 points, 5 contracts. Marvelous job. Do you want to trade like Ken, like Lee, like Johan, like Steve? Are you surprised price collapsing? Not the place to enter. Remember, it's a reversal zone. There is a very good reason I named it reversal zone. Expect reversal. That pure and that simple. Nothing less, nothing more. Last week, trading room was open 6 hours. 4 trades reached Fibonacci targets. Last week, on fabulous, amazing Fibonacci morning, trading room was closed at 10:30. This morning, very different formations. 1 trade reached Fibonacci targets. Everyone seeing this? And that's the reason students become my dearest friends for life. And that's the reason there is a wait list for private mentoring. So give yourself a favor. If you want to get on private mentoring waiting list, contact me first. Do not sign up randomly. For group sessions, you can sign up on the website. All the classes are live, modules only supplemental. After the close of the trading room, we will go over this trade. We'll dissect everything to the tick. So let me remind you, price continues its collapse from reversal zone on 1 minute chart. This is exact same thing S&P had done on this hourly chart. It collapsed exactly the same. This is where you're monitoring for short at trend inception. Do you remember that extremely choppy, junky Tuesday where price danced between these levels forever? Do you remember the pullback from this Fibonacci support, but price struggled at this resistance? It's exact same formula on any instrument you will choose to trade. It's exact same thing gold is doing at reversal zone, ladies and gentlemen, this entire year since February. Are you surprised? Just like S&P 1 minute chart. It's exact same thing that Tesla done as 1 minute chart. Chart present in front of you for years. Identical formula. Identical dance. Market structure is the same everywhere. The only difference, risk management and trader psychology. Do you want to hold your trade 5 minutes? 5 hours, 5 days, 5 weeks, 5 years, choice is yours. Not the place to buy. And that's the accuracy of the method. And this is your investment decisions. You saw extremely clearly what S&P had done on 1 minute chart. Please don't forget what S&P is doing on weekly. Identical dance. The only thing that's holding this sell-off is this support. So, if you want to learn the method traded by hedge fund managers, please sign up on the website. Class after the close of the trading room. All the details under learn. What you learn in the course is shortcut to 10 years of work with Fibonacci. I highly encourage you to listen to the students on the website who are trading the method in US and globally. Group course 8-week, private mentoring 16 includes all group classes. If you're signing up for group courses and you want to get in on private mentoring waiting list, start with group sessions and I will let you know when you can resume private mentoring. In private mentoring, I work with you via TeamViewer and Skype. We also can concentrate on your execution. Trading psychology, money management is a key. Group course only 32.77, private mentoring 79.77. If you need to take time off, if you need to pause a course, not a problem. Pretty please listen to the students and watch the videos. As method applies to any instrument, any time frame you will choose to trade. Traders from beginner to hedge fund traders sharing how they're trading the method. So that was a key Fibonacci trade this morning. Let's update the results, shall we? So this is trade number 13 this month. We've been open less than 15 hours this month. Out of 13 trades, 12 trades reached Fibonacci targets. Everyone seeing this? Clear on that? Price came close to reversal zone. Scaling out of your position is a key. Every single trader in the room, different stop, different target. Multiple charts giving you the trade. Every single student, different position. Clear on that? And as price continue reminding you, this is not the place to buy. Market collapsing back down to support as expected from reversal zone. So, if you're witnessing the accuracy of the method in live markets each and every day, this exact same accuracy you can apply to options, stocks, ETFs. You can trade any time frame you will choose. And that's where we are this morning. Clear on that? Nothing less, nothing more. Let's take a well-deserved break. So while we were in a trade, students kept trading. As remember, we've been discussing since early this morning. Bias at Fibonacci support remains firmly bullish. So here we are. Carol, Steve, and Lee had taken trades during break time. Knowledge is power. Hand holding and trading does not work. So right now, please pay attention to Fibonacci resistance in front of you. This is exact same place where S&P collapsed from on Friday and European session. This identifies the end of the minor trend. S&P extremely bullish. As expected, buyers came in from key Fibonacci support. This level is out. This is where S&P is heading to next, if bullish trend is major. This is a place where you will monitor for reversal. Everyone seeing this? Exact same place where the previous trade collapsed from. You're witnessing Fibonacci resistance present in front of you, the end of the minor trend present in front of you for the last 2 weeks, currently in a play. Let's convert this chart to 1-minute chart. Let's see what's happening at this level. Anyone surprised? This is the end of the minor trend. This is where a knowledgeable trader separates if bullish trend is minor or a bullish trend is major. This is not the place to enter into. It's extremely crucial Fibonacci resistance, end of minor trend, where again Apple collapsed from. And Apple been sitting at since fall 2017. Not the place to enter. And that's S&P right now in front of you. Level present in front of you for weeks. Will S&P collapse the exact same way as Apple had done? Will be such a lovely news. As knowledgeable trader knows, this is a place to monitor for short from, just like Apple. And this is what Ken accomplished when we were on a break. Amazing job. So TLT Daily, Joseph, hedge fund manager in the course, trades at key support. As you can see, that's a question about TLT. So, TLT at key support. Exact same strategy as 1-minute chart on S&P in front of you right now. identical formula. So just to remind you, in case you missed that, Ken trading S&P and NQ, Joseph trading TLT, what you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. All of this done when we were on a break. Knowledge is power, and holding never a recipe for success. So, if you would like to join Joseph, Ken, Steve, Lee, Carol in the course, I look forward working with you. And that is constant. Nothing less, nothing more. Fibonacci resistance, once again, present in front of you for weeks in a play on 1-minute chart. Price reminding you, Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the markets. Using anything else is simply afterthought. Ed, graduate of the course, just came back for continuous education at trading options. Every single trader different lot size, every single trader different circumstances. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. As method applies to any instrument, any time frame, any platform. So, I'm gonna stick around a little bit longer. All the students taking a break before we go into class. Trading room will be closed in about 15 minutes. Please remember, trading room open only maximum 12 hours per week, on average 8, Monday through Thursday. All the details about trading room under trade. What to expect, when and how. In the trading room, you saw only one trade, as you saw students taking multiple other trades. So, knowledge is power. Never buy into Fibonacci resistance. Rules are made. Take short. Never short into Fibonacci support. Rules are made. Take long. And that's what you're witnessing in a trading room every day. Exact same accuracy applies to any instrument you will choose to trade. Oil news is always every Wednesday. So if you would like to join us in the course, all you have to do is sign up on the website. Any questions, pretty please click on Contact Us. And never hesitate to call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders. Thank you so much.